Okay, now I know we're all going crazy about the new bug going around town. So, since I happen to be an expert on hand hygiene, I thought I would fill you in on how to properly wash your hands. The biggest mistake I see all the time is people wash the bubbles off before they scrub their hands. People! Soap suds are your buds. They get rid of the bugs. Don't wash them off before you scrub. Keep your family and your friends and your neighbors safe. Scrub for 20 seconds, then wash them away. Suds are your buds. They get rid of the bugs. Don't wash them off before you scrub, scrub, scrub. Keep your family and your friends and your neighbors safe. Scrub for 20 seconds, then wash them away. 1. Get your hands wet. 2. Get some soap. 3. Make a lather and give your hands a coat. 4. Scrub them good. Get every side. 5. Between the fingers where those germs hide. 6. Fingertips on both palms. 7. Scrub your thumbs till those germs are gone. 8. Rinse with water. 9. Towel dry. 10. Use a towel, get that door right. Keep your family and your friends and your neighbors safe. Scrub for 20 seconds, then wash them away. Suds are your buds. They get rid of the bugs. Don't wash them off before you scrub, scrub, scrub. Keep your family and your friends and your neighbors safe. Scrub for 20 seconds, then wash them away. Hey! Now you know, use those bubbles. Fight those germs. Wash your hands. Have some fun. Share this video and don't share germs. Wash them away. Hey, wash them away. Goodbye, germs. Wash them away. Hey, wash them away. Wash them away. Okay, now we need to all go wash our hands again.